After a recipe has gone through production and distribution, is it left alone or tweaked for improvements?
We're always looking, how can we make this better? Throughout the brewing process, what can we do better? How can we have a better shelf life? That's important to us because when someone drinks our beer, we want it to be a good representation of what we do. So it's important that you can hold up. When you're using womp flavors, it has like propylene glycol in there, and to me, it really has that artificial taste, like this fake sweetness. It really stands out. So, that wasn't even a consideration when we were talking about any of the beers.